welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video, guys, we're working here on a Ford Focus MK3 generation 2012 to 2018, and we'll show you how to remove and replace front window regulator. Okay, this is the front window regulator right here. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel for more videos. Now let's go ahead, start on it and see what we need to do. We need to remove the door panel, quite a bit of works, so we can get to that front window regulator. Front left and front right side will be pretty much almost identical procedure with some very minor differences. So let's start on it now. So first, what we need to do, okay, right here, this trim piece, okay, will need to be removed. We need to start from the top, because here there is a clip that goes this way, okay, so we can pull it straight out. Check out the clip I'm talking about. Now, all the tools and parts that we use in the videos, guys, will be listed in the description of the video below, so please check it out. After that, here towards the back side, okay, we'll need to try to pry, okay, the master window switch up, okay, just like that. Okay, and next we'll need to go ahead and disconnect it. So push down on the tooth and pull out. Perfect. One more wire here. Okay, you can see that little bitty tooth again. Push in and then pull out. Great. Okay, that's the one I'm talking about. Okay, you can see, just pull down and push out. Okay, and the master window switch is out of the way now. So, next. Right here, under the door handle, okay, there is one cap that we will need to go ahead and remove. Okay, be careful. Okay, this one opens only one way, I think. So let us break ours. Okay, try from the bottom and see if it's going to come out. So eventually that thing comes out. Okay, let me show. It has 3 teeth holding it in place. Okay, like that. So we damaged ours a little bit. So let's go ahead and remove that screw now. That way we know it's a done deal. And there are a few hidden screws, guys, that you need to watch until the end to make sure we get everything right. This is a Torx 25 star looking bit. Okay, so we're removing this screw now. After that, okay, these 2 screws here, we'll need to remove them. One more right there. Okay, we dropped ours inside, but that's fine because we'll remove the panel. Now there is a hidden screw under this cap right here. Okay, you pop it on the bottom, then you just turn it and pull it out. Okay, check this thing out. Torx 25 again, one more screw. Perfect. After that, okay, we have to remove the speaker, the tweeter cap here. Okay, you can see there is a cap, small cap, remove it as well. Now we need to remove the tweeter. Some people do it without removing the tweeter. We just remove the cap so we don't break it. Okay, now on the bottom there are a few pop-up rivets there. Okay, so we'll get the panel removal too. Get our hands under there and pop up the door clips. Okay, now Those sometimes will break. Okay, the door clips, the pop-up rivets. So we will have to remove and replace them, and we will show you where you can get replacement ones. All the parts and tools, guys, that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. Okay, there is a clip holding right here. Okay, also super tight. Okay. We have some movement now. Focus is pretty new. Not too many miles on it. Obviously that door has never ever been removed before too. Okay. Some of the clip just flew away. So let's see if we have anything else holding. Okay, so eventually you need to lift up a little bit. Okay, and then you need to slide this way. Again, on top there is two clips. From what I can see, on top. So hold the door down. Pull again. Okay, it came loose. Now we need to disconnect the door cable. Okay, and how you do that? You need to make sure the door handle is closed, and after that right here, okay, you need to pry this way, lift up and pull it out. Okay, and the door panel, guys, is out of the way. Now this piece right here, this is the floaty piece. This is the one if the car gets in water. Okay, it glues right here. It has two holders. So you need to situate this one there later. Those are the clips I was talking about. These clips we removed. Okay, you can see. Now let us show you where all of them are. We broke one of them here on the bottom, so we need to replace it. Stay with us and we'll get a new one. And one flew away all the way here. So I'll just go ahead and install it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6 right here. This is just a glide. 6, 7, okay, and this one here. So about 8. Let me get the new clips and we'll replace one. So we will have a link in the description of the video where you can get all those clips for nothing. I mean, they're really affordable, great price. So okay, this is a different one. We need to find the one that fits our vehicle. Okay, so one of them will work. We'll just install it on the bottom. Okay, leave it there, perfect. And you can see we're ready to go. So now we need to remove that plastic piece here. Okay, so that's what we're cutting now. Again, trying to see which one is better, with the light or without the light actually. Okay, that glue, if you cut it the correct way, it's going to reseal later when you attach it. The only thing is, do not touch it to your seats, carpet or anything like that, because it's going to severely damage your upholstery. Okay, perfect. You can see the whole thing came out. We'll just leave it on the roof of the car now, facing up, of course, otherwise you'll get stuck to the paint. Okay, so we need to go ahead and remove the speaker now. We have 3 screws that we just need to remove. One of ours is different. I don't think the door has been removed. Don't ask me why it's different, but it... 2 are with Torx 25 and 1 is with 732 sockets. So we'll just pull it out, disconnect the wire now. Push down on the tooth and pull it out. Perfect. Now we'll need to connect our master window switch, and we'll need to bring the window down so we can disconnect the window from the regulator. So next we'll just connect our window switch now, the master window switch, so we can move the window up and down. Okay, we have the master window switch connected now. So we need to bring it. Okay, let me check this side. Just a little bit up. Okay, like that. So you can see. Okay, now right here, through that rail, there is one tooth on the back side of the window that we'll need to press in so we can disconnect the window. One here and one through the speaker. Okay, like that. You have to be careful because the cable is in the way. So with the plastic prying tool, okay, we're going to push on that clip and pull the window up at the same time. You can see it got disconnected on this side. We have to do the same thing on the other side. We have to go through the speaker now. Okay, the window just came up like that. Next, if you grab the window in an angle like that, okay, you can gently pull it out. Okay, check it out, don't break it now. You can actually even pull the window all the way up and tape it, but I think it's safer to remove it so it doesn't drop and break it later, so that's why we did it this way. So there are a few clips that we need to disconnect now. Okay, just with the pliers. You can see this one went in. This is for the regulator cable there. After that we need to locate the Torx 30 star looking bit. Okay, let me show you. Let me just focus quick here, trying to focus. Okay, this is it, Torx 30. So we'll go ahead and remove now the screw, not remove, just get that screw loose on the bottom. Okay, that's it, right there. Do not remove them, just get them loose a couple revolutions. Perfect. We have one more there. One right here and one on the bottom. Okay, under this cover. Okay, you can see where the screw is. Now, go ahead, pull up and come out of the canals on top and bottom. Slide down. Same thing applies to this side. Now you can see the airbag wire is in the way, so let's disconnect this one. From that point on, you need to disconnect at least 1 hour before the repair your car battery, because we'll be disconnecting the airbag here. Okay, now we have one more clip holding the wires there that we need to disconnect. Okay, and actually it came loose from the zip tie. We have new replacement clips like that will show you where we get ours for a really good price. So now it comes out only in one specific angle. Just careful not to pry, because you dent the door on the outside. You make a big dent or scratch your door and it will be visible. So you need to like start removing it. Okay, one side then the other side. Play with it until it comes out. Okay. Eventually you can see it will slide out. You have to be extremely careful not to damage any wires or cables in the way. Now we can go ahead and disconnect the window motor here. Okay, by pressing down and pulling out. Okay, just like that. So now we'll need to separate the window motor from the window regulator. We have 3 screws with the Torx 30. So we'll remove those now all the way. Okay, now just grab the motor, okay, and just pull it out, okay, like that, and the window regulator and the motor are separated now. So you can check out in the description of the video below, guys, where we get our parts from, including the window regulator. Okay, please check it out, that's for your convenience. So let's go ahead now. All we have to do, okay, align everything right here. Okay, the 2 things need to align, and after that we need to install the window motor. Okay, let's see exactly which way that thing was. Okay, perfect. And all we have to do is install the 3 screws and put the window regulator together. So we have to do, get these 3 tight. You need to install the regulator in reverse order we took it apart. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.